Hey everyone, I have a project to share with you this time. This is using my stamps from AdornIt, and these are illustrated from Dianna Marcum. So if you've been watching me for a while, you probably have seen my projects and the junk journal I put together with recipe stamps. So these are the two, I don't know which one is the actual monthly stamp if you're in the stamp club, but the add-on is the other one. So you have butter up biscuits and sausage gravy. So I used both of these stamps today for my next recipe page in my journal. There's also this one, which is a 6x8 stamp set. And I don't know if this one has dropped yet, but obviously I will put the links below, or the link below to the AdornIt webpage if you want to take a look for these and any of the other ones she's already released. So that's what I've used. I also used this die from Daisy May Designs. This is actually a UK company, I think. Yeah, daisymay.design.co.uk from Claire Rowlands. And I believe I bought this online, but I don't think they have these. I think it was from Craft Stash where I bought these, but I don't know if they still have these. Because these are not sized to the US A2 size card. And if you look, there's sets of straight line rectangles, and then you have these like sort of distressed edge rectangles, and they are stitched too on the inner part. So this set has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the distressed edge ones, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 of the straight edge. So I used this die because I had the 2 sets of recipes for it. I put it in my junk journal. I also used this paper from Karina Gardner. This is an old one, Homemade with Love. So this one is a kitchen related paper from 2013. I know that you can still get this some places because I've seen it. It is from Cartabella, and maybe you can get this one digitally. I don't know. So I have a pack of this. And this one is the collection, so there's actually a sticker sheet in here, but I just used the paper. Oh, well, I actually did use one sticker. But there's that. And then I also used my Sketch Marker Brush Pro. Now, these were once available from Ellen Hudson, but because she closed her online store, I think she's still on Amazon. I don't think you can get these anywhere else in the US yet, still. I don't know. Maybe on eBay, but these are the colors that I used for the Sketch Marker Brush Pro, and it's because of the colors that I pulled. I pulled my colors from one of the papers that's in this collection, and so you can see there's like this blue and yellow sort of coloring in there. So that's why I picked these colors. And of course, these are alcohol inks, so you can actually mix the colors, blend the colors to get the color you want. But these were closer in color to the paper. So rather than use my Copics, I used these. I also used my glaze pen in black and my white gel pen just a little bit. So here is the page I created. You can see it's in my journal. I use rings to bind it together. And this is the piece of paper from the collection right here. It's got like a blue background with like these golden yellow colors in it. And I'm sorry it's kind of dark here because it's raining, but you can kind of see there's sort of a vintage looking collection. These are from the cut-aparts. This pocket right here and this pocket right here are made from the cut-aparts in the collection. All I did was score down the sides of the cut-apart and across the bottom to make a little pocket for both of the recipe cards. And believe it or not, I've colored this image 3 times simply because I made my project, and the first time I colored it, the ink that I had used totally bled, which is not supposed to happen, but it was a different ink that I was using, so I won't do that again. So I used my Memento for this, and it worked better. And then I had to color it again because of that. And then I decided to ink the edges of the paper to distress it. Didn't like the way it turned out, so I totally trashed that. And then I just left it white because I think I like the bright color better. So here's the first recipe, the butter up biscuits. I haven't made these recipes yet. And here is the sausage and gravy. And I think they go well together on the page because, you know, sausage and gravy, biscuits and gravy, sorry, which are pretty readily available where I'm at. I added some buttons here on this tab punch, and this tab punch is from Stampin' Up. It's an old retired one, so if you can find it for really cheap, I say go for it. People are charging way too much for it, but I found it for $1 at a what do you call it? Flea market, not flea market, crafty. Crafty market. Really good price. So I picked it up there. So these are the die cut rectangles that I used from that die, and then I just added the tab on there and glued the button down. And I don't use regular glue for this. I use this type of glue, which is the quick dry adhesive Helmar 450, which I did not know they have a local headquarters here. So that's my 2 recipe cards. And the back is just, you could see the paper that I used. It's double-sided, obviously, but the 2 different recipes, and they just fit down in the pocket here. The page is the same size as the book, but it's not the same width. So I chose to do that on purpose. And they just fit down in the pockets like this. I thought it was cute. This tab hangs over the edge. So the back just looks like this. I had actually, you know, distressed this side of the page. So what I did was just take some scraps that I had and went over it with the collection. This is a sticker from the sticker sheet. And then this is a piece of scrap that I had already cut. So I can use this for my tea bags that I've been putting in here as well, because I have been journaling about that as I try them. I do have some here. Oh, I have one that would be perfect for it. It is a fall one. So if you look at this, I think that, is that hazelnut? I don't know if it's hazelnut or not. This was an interesting flavor of tea. These are the tea packets that I've been putting in here because this is the same illustrator of this children's book. That's why the style is very similar. So yes, I have tried this tea because the tea bag's not in here. But it would be probably a good color choice. I have this one too, but it doesn't really go. Halloween tea. Look at the little ghosts. I've tried that. And then I even have this one right here. Royal Apple. So yeah, those are ones that I just have on standby here, waiting to go in. I have probably other pages I can put them in as well. So some of these are done. And I think I've shown some of these already. So this is actually a box that's in here. But yeah. Anyway, that is it for now. I hope you enjoyed my recipe page for my junk journal. I'm still going to build more. I think, you know, they keep making recipe stamps, or Dianna keeps drawing them and they keep making them. So that's really nice of her to have them available to us. But as I said, I'll put the link in the description box below to AdornIt's website, and you can see what's already available as far as stamps. Thanks for watching, and I will be back with more later. Bye.